I'm Bernina expert Amanda Murphy, and I'd like to show you how to applique the blocks from my Paradise Quilt using the In the Hoop applique files that come with the pattern. There are just two block shapes that comprise this pattern, a flower and a leaf. They come in two different sizes. Here I've chosen the leaf. For the first step, you want to hoop 2 layers of Ultra Clean and Tear tearaway stabilizer and quilt out the first pass of the embroidery, which is a crosshairs. This will help you place your block. Mark the center of your block and place it over your crosshairs. I'm using a pin to align the center of my block with the center of the hoop, and then I'm just visually making sure that the block is approximately square to the hoop. If it's a little off, it doesn't matter. Next, stitch out the placement line. I've gone ahead and cut out my shapes using the SVG files that come with the pattern and a digital fabric cutter, but you can also trace them and cut them out by hand. Place the shapes on the placement line and run the next pass of the embroidery, which is the tack down stitches. I used white thread for all but the last pass of the design, but you'll note that the file actually shows different colors just to keep you on track. You'll stitch out the satin stitches in white, which is the next pass of the design, and then you'll stitch out the final pass, shown here. It's the triple stitch, and I would recommend using any accent color that you think would look great on the block. That's all there is to it. There's only 2 shapes, and that comprises the entire quilt top, just one color of applique. You'll need a maxi or jumbo hoop to make the full-size quilt, but the runner here, shown in white, can be made using an oval hoop. It's so fun to see all the different color combinations you can create. I hope you enjoy making the Paradise Quilt.